Hi gorgeous! Today we are testing new Essence makeup products. They have a new collection with the German influencer Merve, and they have created 3 products: an eyeshadow palette, the super coverage eyeshadow base, and also the lamination style brow fixing gel. I have already used all of the products on my face today, so I'm gonna show you how to use them as well. Let me know in the comments what other Essence products I should try next, and also share this video with a friend that likes affordable makeup. I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow palette. As we can see, we have this sleek and elegant design. It is super pretty. We have also a mirror and it opens like this. We have 18 eyeshadows and the price of this one is €9.99. I bought all the products from the German Essence website. I love the color story, also the arrangement of the eyeshadows. It is very easy for a beginner to use it. Also for someone that wants to do something glamorous, a Catrice eye look. You can do something soft and also something intense. This palette has everything. On my eyes today I have used almost all the eyeshadows. Yes, and it looks like this. That means the eyeshadows are blending very well with each other. The matte eyeshadows are very blendable, also buildable. I have also used today the eyeshadow base. I'm gonna talk about this product in a while. These 2 eyeshadows look like they have some glitter, but they are actually shimmery. In my crease I have started with this matte eyeshadow. Then I went with this one, only in the outer crease. After that, to deepen out, I have used the dark brown eyeshadow again in the outer crease. Then I took this beautiful peachy matte shade to blend out the edges. That one gives a very nice warm color to the skin. On the center of the eyelid I have pressed a little bit of this one. Then on the inner eyelid I have used the green, and in the inner corner what you can see here is a mix of these 2 eyeshadows, these 2. For the lower part of the eye I have done something different. I have used this bronzy shade on the outer part, then this one here on the center, and the golden in the inner part of the lower lash line. Then I took the minty shade to blend out the edges. I never do that. And after that I took the green shade and I have used it here. You can see the color, it is super pretty. Usually I don't use so many eyeshadows for an eye look, but I was trying to test as many as possible. I think this palette has a great value. We have so many eyeshadows and it is just €10. We also have a mirror, a very beautiful packaging. So I like this one a lot. Let's go to the eyeshadow base because it is connected with the eyeshadows. At first I applied it with my fingertip. You need a very small amount of this eyeshadow base because it is very spreadable. On my left eye I have used a wet sponge to blend the eyeshadow base, and I have noticed that this eye was a little bit stickier. That wasn't an issue because I have set it with setting powder. Also it has a medium to full coverage. I could still see my veins, but after I applied the eyeshadows I don't see them anymore. It creased just a little bit near my eyelid, but it was very easy to blend it out with my fingers again. I wanted to see if the eyeshadow base does actually something and can make the eyeshadows brighter and more intense. So on my left eye I decided to set it with powder to use it like I normally do and see what's happening with the eyeshadows. Then with the application of the eyeshadows I have noticed that the matte shades were a lot softer on this side. On the other side they were a lot more intense, so I didn't use so much product. Also the shimmery eyeshadows were more intense on this side instead of this that had the powder. On both of my eyes the product was not tight. It has a whitish color. It is lighter than my skin tone, but after applying the eyeshadows I don't see that light color anymore. On the packaging it says perfect for Catrice eye looks. I think that's right. This is gonna be a very easy product to cut the crease and use a shimmery eyeshadow on top of it, make your eyeshadows brighter and shinier. As you can see I was able to create the same eye look on both of my eyes, so it doesn't really matter if you apply powder powder or not on top of the eyeshadow base. But if you want to use less product, I would say don't set the eyeshadow base. You can do this technique also with any concealer that you like. I think this product is great, and also it is just €2.99, so you're not breaking the bank. And let's continue with the lamination style brow fixing gel. I have used two different techniques today on my brows to show you how to use the product. On this brow I have used first the brow gel and then a brow pencil to fill in some gaps. As you can see, we have a small spoolie that makes it very easy to use because you don't apply excess product on the skin. About the formula, this one dries very fast, so you're not gonna apply product and then brush your brows again and again, because this way the product is going to clamp on your brows, and we don't want that. It doesn't work so well with face makeup on, so I would suggest doing your brows before the face makeup. I have tried it today with face makeup and it was a disaster. I had to start over. I removed it with a waterproof product. I have used this one by Maybelline. It is for waterproof makeup. On the second time, I have tried to fill in any gaps with a brow pencil. This product makes the brows crunchy, so it wasn't so easy to fill them in with a brow pencil. Also, I have some build-up here from the brow pencil because when the brow gel sets on the brows, it doesn't move, and if you try to move it, it is just peeling off and it looks like glue. Let's go to the other brow. I have used first my brow pencil to create the shape that I wanted, and after that I applied very lightly the brow gel. Also, it removed some of my product because this one is for laminated brows. I definitely prefer this one because it was easier. My brows are looking the same and you need to come very close to see the clamps of the brow pencil. I have also used this product in my Cyprus vlog. I have tried this product a lot of times without any face makeup on. I love using it this way because it makes my brows fluffy and they stay all day long. If you like the laminated brow trend, definitely use this one. Also, it's not a very easy product to remove, so don't forget to buy something for waterproof makeup. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. I think I like a little bit more the eyeshadow palette, and you can watch next this review here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!